At least 88 households make Aoa Village in Dokolo District. 27 households have been displaced, while those remaining are struggling to survive in a community with no health center, school, shop, or source of clean water. The only link to the outside world is now through this path. Residents say emergencies at night are particularly frightening, while school-going children cross this water and walk several kilometers to school. The crisis has affected livelihoods, and Omara says gardens have been submerged.
That one thing to buy chocolate and watch how many can appeal why you kit another one work for a chalk. Capu do that when you
Burial has become difficult, with the residents saying graves quickly fill with water, while shallow pit latrines could increase the risk of disease.
Mere what require your loha tungcha, Kangatamo ye, Ikera chini. PNN town a kayini yini bilok with them I lobo America, PN yini cano. Don't wound gamet and peha one do ticket.
In Dokolo District this year, we have received two issues of disaster: prolonged dry spell and also hailstorm. Now, the sub-counties that are prone to floods include mostly the sub-counties that are in Dokolo South constituency. Now, as a district, the COW has written to also the Prime Minister on the issues of the hailstorm and the prolonged dry spell.
However, Minister for Relief, Disaster Preparedness and Refugees, Sam Mingola, said in an earlier interview that the ministry had not received an official report from the district on the situation.
I'm waiting. When it starts, I'm on the ground. Our quickest people with the cow. They should report to the cow. Cow will write to us, and we're there on the ground.
Dokolo South MP Vincent Opito has provided a canoe to ease transport in and out of this village. For this community, the canoe may keep people moving, but only a permanent solution can bring their lives back on track. Ediulwa, UBC News.